Good morning, everybody. So it's day 2 in Davao City. So we're going to Banquero Han Public Market. It's about 6 a.m., 6:30 maybe. So we're gonna get some breakfast, see what the public market has. It's supposed to be the biggest one in the city, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see you there. It looks so good. How much? 15 pesos?
How many?
I'll take one. Thank you, sir. You keep the 5 pesos. Yes, sir. Wow, it's so busy. Try the bibingka. Let's try the bibingka. It's sweeter than normal. You gonna be on the vlog? Hi. So hot. It's good. Let's try. Very good. Very banana. I thought it would have more toffee flavor, but it's good. A little coffee. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll see you later. Yeah.
Pila.
Pila?
Isa 5 pesos yan.
5 pesos?
Yes.
That 10?
Saan niya?
Proven and tested.
Proven.
What?
Saan niya?
Proven?
How much is it?
Lizard.
Dessert. Okay.
Saan niya? Ang sabi?
Ma'am, isa pa plus, ma'am.
Ha?
Isa pa plus. Gucci.
Butchi.
Mayroon.
Kasi mukha niya.
Ma'am, alam mo, nasa gitna na
Spicy.
Spicy. Spicy center.
Spicy.
It's good.
Like spicy.
Pila quick.
20 pesos, sir.
20.
12 egg.
Quail egg.
12 egg.
Kwek. Lami.
Lami kaayo.
Yes, thank you, sir. Dami tayo.
How long you been selling here?
Sir,
How long you been selling this?
thank you, sir.
How many years?
1 year after 6 months.
6 months. Wow.
Yes.
Just two?
Pero sana ka English ba? Ano kung ba mga
Did you count how many?
I had 4. This, you had 2.
Dili ni halang.
para sure mo ka na lang yun.
Halang sa bata manggol.
Kuya, pito isaw, usa kwek.
Dalawa, 2 cake wake, 1.
1, usa.
4-5.
4-5.
5-5. 5-5. 55 pesos.
There you go.
Pre, isa lang mo bayad, pre? Ay, layo, no?
Salamat.
Salamat.
All right, we're gonna go get some bull soup right now. Apparently this place is pretty famous. Very dark out here. Bulkachan. Bulkachan.
Welcome to Bulkachong.
Huh?
Welcome to Bulkachong. Open.
Huh?
Here.
How come everyone else is eating outside?
Yeah.
We can eat outside too.
I don't know.
Go ahead.
It's here. Ay, tagay. Ay, may work here. Bulkachong lang.
Thank you. It's like a soup.
Yeah.
don't want rice? No? Need some rice? Thank you. Let's try this sabaw.
Some lemon. Much better.
Looks good.
Spicy or not?
Spicy, yeah. It's good?
Yeah. Not so spicy.
Not so spicy. I'm gonna try.
Like gonna.
Let's get a big piece of meat.
Yeah.
Hot.
Try.
Wow. Very soft. Very soft.
Yeah.
It's like butter. I didn't even have to chew it. I just broke it up with my tongue. It's good. It definitely just tastes like beef soup. Maybe tomatoes. And then you get a big bowl of sabaw, which has meat in it too.
Yeah. Sabaw is good.
Even the sabaw has meat. It's so good. It's lami. I'm glad we came here.
Yeah. Lami kayo.
I was skeptical because it's the only thing they have.
Yeah. Second day of Davao.
Yeah. Day
Howtocook.
So good. Let's see if I can. Super
It's hot.
Yeah. For 200 pesos?
It's worth it or not?
It's worth it, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Let's eat, guys. All right, let's go to People's Park.
At night.
Good evening.
Hey, good evening, my friend.
Check your bag.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, my friend. I don't think he can see.